Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily clone yourself using
CapCut video editor.
Let's jump to the editor.
Once you're in CapCut editor and you have your videos loaded to media pool, so these videos are just two videos of myself in two different locations of the room. So I have added them both to video track. So this is video 1, this is video 2, and now let's take a look at these videos one by one. So if I hit play, this is myself introducing the tutorial and pointing to someone, pretending as if there's someone next to me. And now the second video will kick in, and this is just me again on a separate video, pretending as if there's someone talking, acknowledging something. Okay, so the most important thing about cloning yourself when you're creating a conversation is the timing. So you have to make sure that you match the timing of the conversation. But the next step is, so once you have your videos on video track, what you need to do now is just add the videos one above the other. So basically add them to separate video tracks. And now click on this video at the top, navigate to video, then mask, and click on horizontal. And now you can see that the screen is split horizontally, but if you click on this wheel and you rotate this wheel, you will split the screen vertically, just like that. Okay, so now we see me and my clone in one screen. So what you have to do now is just move this screen a little to the right, just around here. The reason I'm doing that is because it's going to be easier to blend the colors on this area, because it's just a white wall and the desk. And then click on these two arrows and drag a little to the right. So this is blending in the shadows, as you can see. So just a little to the right. So this is the feather. It's now at 20. Okay, so now you can't really tell that the videos are connected. And if I hit play, just disable the audio for now, I hit play, and there you go, created a clone.
If the video was useful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.